Welcome. Today we're diving into how to manage the profile photo visibility option on LinkedIn. Keeping your profile picture visible is crucial for networking and making connections. Let's walk through the updated steps to adjust these settings. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. Once you're logged in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to managing your profile settings. After tapping on the Me icon, you'll see a menu. Click on Settings to enter the Settings menu. Here you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account, including your profile visibility. Next, navigate to Account Preferences. This section contains several options related to how your profile is displayed and who can see it. Now, look for the Display category within Account Preferences. Under this section, you'll find the option labeled Show Profile Photos. Click on it to proceed. At this point, you will be presented with different visibility options for your profile photo. You can choose from several settings. First-degree connections only. Only those you are directly connected with can see your photo. Your network. This includes your connections and their connections. All LinkedIn members. Everyone on LinkedIn can see your photo. Anyone. This setting allows anyone, including those not logged into LinkedIn, to view your profile photo. After selecting your preferred visibility option, make sure to save your changes. This ensures that your new settings are applied immediately. Remember, keeping your profile photo visible can enhance your networking opportunities by making it easier for others to recognize and connect with you. So take a moment to review these settings and make any necessary adjustments. That's it. You've successfully managed the visibility of your LinkedIn profile photo. Now you're all set to make a great impression in your professional network.